Hello friends, today we will see the process scheduling algorithm, which is SJF, that is shortest job first. As the name suggests, it has or operating system select those jobs which have shortest burst time. So we will start. This problem is very simple. You have given 4 processes: P1, P2, P3, P4. I'm sorry, the name that is 1 2 3 4 is not displaying here, but the sequence is P1, P2, P3, P4. So P1 process time burst time has 6 seconds, we can say. P2 8 seconds, P3 7 seconds, and P3 3 seconds. So there are 4 processes and the burst time is given. Now in the previous lecture we have seen FCFS algorithm. In that algorithm we have seen the Gantt chart. Here also you have to draw the Gantt chart. In FCFS, the first job, first come first serve basis, we have scheduled the job. The process which comes first, it will serve first. So उसी तरीके से यहाँ पे the process which have shortest burst time, that will be selected first. So P1, P2, P3, P1, P2, P3, P4, in these 4 processes, P4 process has very short burst time. So first of all we will select, or first of all operating system will select a P4 process first. Then next job will be, the next higher number is P1. So after P4, P1 will be executed. Next P3 will be executed, and last is P4. So P4 will be executed at the last. So the job are executed as per their burst time. जिसका burst time कम है वो पहले execute किया जाएगा. So in the given problem the sequence is P4, P1, P3, P2, and here the time required is, first of all P4 required 3 seconds. So 3 second time is given in the Gantt chart. P1 is required 6 seconds, so 3 plus 6 is 9. So 9 seconds will be executed, 9 seconds will be taken by P1. P3 requires 7 seconds, so 9 plus 7 is 16, and P4 requires 8 seconds, so 16 plus 8 is 24. So this is how you can draw the Gantt chart. Average waiting time is, P4 के लिए waiting time कुछ नहीं है, so that is it is 0. P1 के लिए वेटिंग टाइम है 3 सेकेंड, सो 3 इज़ गिवन हियर. P3 के लिए वेटिंग टाइम है 9 सेकेंड्स, सो 9 इज़ रिटन हियर. एंड P2 के लिए वेटिंग टाइम है 16 सेकेंड्स. सो दिस 3 प्लस 16 प्लस 9 प्लस 0 डिवाइडेड बाय 4, because we have 4 number of processes, so average waiting time is equal to 7 seconds, we can say. So this is how you can solve your problem. The formula for average waiting time is this, and turnaround is equal to burst time plus waiting time. So similarly you can calculate the time for turnaround time for SJF also. So this is very simple problem and it's very simple question. You can solve this question within very short period of time in the examination also. So that's all about shortage of first. Thank you for listening.